We can
Cow Slideshow.
I'll start us a fire.
The cow.
Fetch me some fire.
Guys. The cow. This is was.
So get me
With
some
the
fire.
cow.
Clumsy?
Where are you?
Yeah, sure. It's been fun. Well, not tons of fun, but it's had its moments. Kinda. You know what I'm trying to say.
There's a cow.
It hasn't been
The
that much fun.
Well done, Hefty. Well done. All right.
Step
Well,
one.
the wood should be stacked into a teepee-like structure. Step two.
Step
I tap
two.
this flint with a rock and.
You're not even blowing on it, you're spitting on it.
That's odd.
Because I have
Perhaps the wood you collected was damp. Hefty.
cow.
According to my manual, it should spark right up.
Well, even
Hey, I've got an idea.
Cow. No! Oh!
You're right, Brain Man. Your little book does come in handy.
Shame on you. We'd be lost without this book.
My name is Brainy. I'm super smart. I'm the smart. But I can't start a fire.
Cow. Cow. Moo.
Just think, guys. After
Cow.
all
It's
this
to say
time,
cow. What did we say? Well, you would say we just inhabit the pig.
Or they could be nothing like us.
He's right. We should be
I
prepared
wasn't.
for whatever
Oh,
we find.
hey, video like he.
Those other
Which
Smurfs
one you
might not even
the
be
good old.
blue.
Maybe they'll be orange. Oh, I like orange.
I will.
What if they all wear glasses?
Or have big bushy mustaches.
What if they have scaly skin and sharp teeth?
And giant claws and big beady eyes. What if they have hands?
Good one, bro.
Listen, it doesn't matter what they look like. We still have to warn them. Gargamel's wrong about me.
Cow.
It's not.
This is a cow. That was the good
I
pig.
want to save those.
There goes
Smurfs.
Smurfs.
And we're gonna help you. We're Team Smurf, and we're in this together.
Moo.
And those guys.
No, it's
But mostly me.
the cow.
Okay, everyone, Smurfy selfie time.
Say the cheese.
Blue
Blue cheese.
According to the map, we should be arriving
With the
at
cow. Moo.
It's like a workout for my eyeballs.
No.
Okay, Bucky, let's
Cow. This is a cow.
Come on, boy.
The cooling.
You can do it.
Moo. The cow. Everything happened when I got into my secret.
What's that, Bucky?
What's that noise? The cow.
No, I didn't get any of
Nobody
that.
have that.
Perhaps glow bunnies don't swim.
Well, I don't do everything. There's a good one week. This is a cow. Cows.
I didn't earn this.
It's
Raft building
grab the
and-
cow. Sorry, dude. Let's get away. Is pee. Boom! Have it.
Ooh, stylish and practical.
Now let's launch this.
Go fire it.
Wait, remember,
Cow.
science
Have
rivers
it. Is
hold
it?
untold surprises.
Is it?
We must be cautious.
Cautious. Good point. And he
Wait,
Cow. Is it how?
we must be alert and vigilant.
vigilance. Good call. Now on 3, 2.
Wait!
Moo! Bo, bing, bang! No! Takes no! Out order! Moo! No! I don't want to have a cow!
Heave-ho!
Moo! Lucky. Sorry, dude. I'm going to go to everything. Show you good to have it back.
Hey, what is this thing?
I wouldn't touch that.
The cow. The cow. Oh my goodness. Are you okay?
At this pace, Gargamel
The
doesn't
cow.
stand a
I
chance.
you would see. We would want to see everything.
Look, if we follow
Look
this route,
at the cow. I want to go.
End of our rainbow.
Smurfs?
Are you rap cow?
Hang on, Smurf crew.
Done it.
What the fuck?
No!
whoa,
Stop throwing.
Stop at the cow so that it worries like
What? Adriel, get me a big.
a bigger reward. Move! Oh dear! What's it gonna get? The cow! The cow! Tricky to us! Put it! It's not happening. Cow! Cow! Move! Move! What's this? No, I'm a cow! I'm a cow! Oh, there you go! Move your up! Yes! Ooh! I will change!